What's up, YouTube? It's your boy TechTech back again with another video, and this time I want to talk about my mini haul from this week's Amazon Prime sale or Amazon Prime Day sale. And so stay tuned. I'm gonna be right back after the intro. You're now rocking with Wakama. Let's go. Alright guys, so I called this a mini haul just because it's gonna be a little bit different. I know some YouTubers, they spend like buku bucks on this, so I'm not a baller yet. So quote unquote, I spent maybe about 600 bucks and got some things that maybe either is gonna help me with my channel or help me with some things, or I might just have some things that I just need, like some storage and things like that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. I'm actually standing up a little bit. I might be out of the frame a little bit, but just give me a better angle to go ahead and unbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a first look at this right here. This is actually a recommended item from a subscriber. He wanted to actually compare some Sony headphones compared to some other headphones. Usually in about the 250 and under price range. He actually wanted 200 price range, but it's like a little bit above 250. But let's go ahead and take a look at these. Yeah, these are actually the Sony 1000 MX2s. So these are actually going to be some that I'm going to be comparing to some Audio Technicas that I believe may be around the same price range. So we're going to take a look at that, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and cut this out here. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to go ahead and unbox it here. Let me go ahead and use a knife. There we go. All right, boom. And it comes in a nice hard shell case. So, interesting. It didn't really come in a box. I was kind of hoping to get a box like I did my Bose. But, wow, okay. So here's what you get in it. You get, right up front, you get your 3.5mm cords. You also have your charging cord, your micro USB charging cord, and that's pretty much it there. And then you also have the ear cups, the headphones themselves, and you also have a guess like another adapter there for you too. So depending on how this feels, let's go ahead and take a look at this. These are like super light. They feel real comfortable, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give these a test run, so stay tuned for a comparison between these, and I also have some Audio Technicas in here as well. So I'm gonna put these to the side. And those were, I believe, $250 once again on Amazon. Trash. All right, so I actually got this Sandisk 1 terabyte SSD. So you got write speeds up to, read-write speeds up to 535 megabytes per second. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this for my PlayStation, or if I wanna actually go ahead and stick this in my computer and actually just go ahead and use this for, save this for content creation purposes or not. So we shall see, but this was on sale for $149 on Prime Day, so I had to grab that. That's 1 terabyte of super fast speeds for your hard drive. So also got this as well, because I've been eyeballing this 400 gig micro SD card on Amazon. I think it was prices as high as like $300 or maybe even 400 bucks, I think, at one point, but it's come down, and it finally got down to about 139 bucks. So I got that on Amazon Prime Day for sure. So I knew I had to lock this down. So 400 gig card, I may throw that on my Nintendo Switch. I may use this for my camera. I don't know, but that's space that I know I can use it somewhere. And these are the Audio Technicas I was talking about. This is the Audio Technica model SR5BT. It's a lot of, there's a lot of long model name there. But yeah, these have a 45mm driver. I actually got a chance. I cheated on these a little bit. I actually listened to this just last night because these came in before I got the Sonys. So with that, let me go ahead and open these up and I'll kind of show you what these look like. And just go ahead and open up this box. Boop. And so you get the manual. We don't need that. You also get the headphones. You know, on the picture, these actually look bigger. This is my first pair of Audio Technicas. I've got a buddy of mine. What's up, Chris? A buddy of mine that he's got Audio Technicas, and he's got like the DJ quality ones. These are not quite that. They're comfortable, but the ear cups are a little bit smaller than what I would prefer. It's just a tidbit smaller, so I actually got some time to listen to these. They do sound pretty good firsthand, but I don't think they're gonna outdo the king of bass, the WH-1000 MX2s. So these sound pretty good as far as when I got to listen to it last night. But however, they're not as, I guess, muddy bass as some people prefer. This was kind of clean, tight, and the volume wasn't quite as loud on Bluetooth. But we're gonna see how this does wired, and so, yeah, this is gonna be something I'm gonna be looking into soon. And also, last but not least, let me go ahead and get my boxing knife again. I don't know where it is, so let's just go ahead and use the key. So this is actually and I actually got 2 sets of these. This is a Roku Premiere that supports up to 4K content for streaming. So if you're thinking about cutting the cord, Roku is kind of like one of the, I guess, like your starter kit right here. So this, let's see, this doesn't even have an Ethernet port on it. So no, you just got HDMI, you got your power cord, and you just basically hook this up to your TV and you start streaming. So I've got 2 of those, and these were actually, Amazon recently reduced the price on this to $49.99. So I got 2 of these. They used to be, I believe, 80 or so. But yeah, these are the Roku Premiere. So these are actually pretty good streaming devices. So it's pretty much the staple that people usually start with when it comes to streaming and cutting the cord and stuff. So that's pretty much it. Of course, this is the other Roku box. And once again, when I'm ready to review those, stay tuned to the channel, and I'll be reviewing a comparison between the Audio Technicas and the Sony. I always want to call them Sony King of Basses, because that name is way too long. That WH-1000 MX2, that's just ridiculously long. So, but yeah, I'm gonna compare the Sonys to the Audio Technicas, and we'll be back. So keep it locked to the channel. Feel free to subscribe, follow, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.